Hello loves, it's I, yours truly, Lisa B, Lisa Bling, Lisa Sweet Melody B, coming at you after work, ready to give you what came in the mail today in this fast wig review. So let's get to it. I found a beautiful wig that is affordable, that is long and human hair, made by Bobbi Boss in the Medifresh collection. And it was only $184 after taxes and expenses. It's pretty good for a human hair wig, but we're gonna see how well it looks in just a moment. This is the, if I can get farther back here, Boss Wig Unprocessed 100% Remy Human Hair Medifresh collection. That means that they've made the cap antibacterial, and it's UV protective, and there's something else that goes along with it. It's a safe, clean cap, basically. I wear these a lot, and they're really nice on their synthetic wigs. And so that's why I got this one, because I'm hoping and hopeful that it has just what we expect on all of the Medifresh. And her name is Carolyn, and the color is natural black. Pull that back there. There we go. So the packaging's nice. Let's open it up. As with all manufactured wigs, it has a very nice soft opening. We have, oh, look at this. Can't see me. It's all hair from here. Here we go, out of the box. She is really cute. She's like ready to go. If you are ready to go somewhere, you don't have to fuss too much. You just put it right on, and a little comb, move the side sweet parts to their rightful areas, and then you're ready to go. I am going to flat iron this. I think it'll improve the look if it's flat ironed, so then we can see what it looks like when it's done up. Now I'm not particularly happy with it because I'm not really into bangs, and that goes to really pay attention before you make a purchase. It's not that it looks bad, it's just more of what I was expecting, but it is okay. I think this is still a doable wig. She's still cute, and it's still believable. It's very thick right here, but it's, I mean, like I said, there's this could be way worse than it is, and I think that it's just basically needs a little bit of love. But being that this is a fast wig review, I'm not going to do it all on camera. I'm going to go off, fix the hair, and then I will be right back with the wrap up. Alright, so I am back. I have done some flat ironing to it. It does still stay a little bit wavy, but gosh, I can't deny that this unit has very, very soft hair. That speaks of great quality. It could be possibly, I would say, like a 9A. If you were to ask what hair type this is, I would say that this would last a long time. This is actually, once you get over the fact that it's not a lace front, like I just did, because I completely didn't even realize it, because I'm so used to using lace front Medifresh that I didn't even know that was just a regular cap. Happens. But that being said, this is a great starter wig. So if you wanted a long wig that you can get used to wearing without the hassle of cutting lace and all of that stuff, this is going to be the wig for you. It's very, very comfortable. It is a working wig. You can braid it. I mean, you know, make a braid, one braid at least. It has the top here is just a standard, you know, I mean, there's really not too much more you're going to be able to do, but you can definitely style it. I have a crimper, I have styling rods, you can curl it, you can dye it. Be careful when you play around with the hair and doing the dyeing. Look up a lot of tutorials, because it's permanent and there's just no way to get this to grow back. Once it's done, it's done. So if that's for you and you think that that's where you would go with it, by all means do so. I think this is a great way to do it with very minimal risk and a very decent price. It's $200. Yeah, you know, this is good. This is good. I mean, the only other way that you can get better than this is if you make one yourself, for the price, that is. So that being said, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving me your support and helping me to grow my channel. You don't know how much it means to me, how important it is to me that you are enjoying my reviews, because this is fun for me. It's almost like relaxing at the end of my day, but sharing it with my friends, you guys here. I'm thankful that you guys are watching, and again, thank you. Talk to you soon. Have a great night. Hold on, y'all. We ain't done yet. Bonus. Hey, here's a bonus. For those of you who are still watching at this point, yes, I decided, oh, you know what? They need to see how it looks when it's wet and wavy. So I went ahead and did something a little more creative with it. I took one of the braids from my other wigs and used it as a headband, a braided headband from the other wig. And I used the hair as a fall right here, pinned it, put it back. You're seeing some of my own hair right here, and bam, whole nother style. So this wig is extremely versatile. You're having a chance to see it in more than one way that it can be worn. And again, if you love it on me, you're gonna love it on yourself. You're gonna do way more creative things with it, and especially if you're a beginner, this is gonna be, and you love long hair, this is gonna be a great wig to start with. So you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for staying on, watching, and again, like, subscribe, and sharing is caring. Stay beautiful.
In the right place to move, in the right place for you. Always stay up all night, watch the neon light. Got you one second now.